Hi, so this reading is for all the people who are born on the 9th, 18th, or the 27th of any month. It doesn't matter as long as you know your date of birth, you add the two digits and it comes out to number 9. This is a reading for you for the month of September 2020. Let's see what is going with you guys. So, the first one we have is the Seven of Swords. Then we have the Page of Cups. I think you have for all my singles or people who are looking for a love reading, I think you guys have been cheated in the past, and yeah, you are kind of taking precautions in terms of who you end up with. But there is a cup sign, sorry, not cup sign, but there is a water sign that is coming towards you with an offer. So this person is going to express their love to you, or they are going to come up with an offer. Oh, interesting. I also have another Knight of Cups. So seems like you are getting a love offer from somebody. That is very, very interesting. Or this person who's going to give you an offer, this person is finally going to grow up from page to a knight. So they are going to become like more mature. So that is a possibility. If you're already in a relationship, um, just be very careful, evaluate the pros and cons of this relationship. Be very careful in terms of where this relationship can go in the future. So that's something I would actually recommend you to do. Then we have the Sun card. So possibly, definitely a proposal is coming. uh, I see a small vacation, a small holiday for some. There's also a possibility, if you guys have been trying to get pregnant from a really long time, that is also happening. Then we have the High Priestess. You have to start listening to your gut. I think right now you are in the power to manifest the life you want or whatever you want. So yeah, you need to start listening to your gut. And then we have the Five of Swords. So same like you may with the Sun and all these, I think you are going to win a you're going to win a fight, but you're not going to win a battle. There's also a possibility you might be feeling defeated. um, I don't know why, but I see pregnancy coming for majority of for a big chunk, especially if you have not been successful in the past. Then we have the Six of Pentacles. So you are going to get help from someone. uh, i I don't feel it's going to be financial help, but I feel like especially in a relationship, somebody is going to take the leading role, and the other person is going to follow in terms of where you want to go. So yeah, let's see what else do we have for you guys. So this card jumped out, which is the King of Swords. Lots of sword energies. Guys, I think you need to communicate a lot. You have a lot of thoughts and they need to come out. You need to tell your partner or your person in your life exactly what you want. From the work potential, I do see a lot of I think you have not been rewarded the way you should be rewarded for all your efforts and for all the work you have been doing. But some sort of news is coming towards you. If you're looking for a new job, it's happening. If you're looking for a promotion, if you want to move to a different team, that is happening. The only advice here is to actually watch your back with the Five of Swords. Be very careful. There's a possibility if a person gives you something, they are expecting something in return. For all my people who are focused on their careers right now, so stay optimistic about your love life. Well, yeah, see, if you have been cheated on in the past, betrayed in the past, just stay optimistic. Positive thinking and faith will bring you the romance you want. And then we have the card Flirt. So be open, be flirty, especially with the two cups coming your way, or a guy maturing. I think this is a good time to flirt. Just make sure you don't get into, just like I said, in the start of the reading, evaluate this relationship, evaluate this offer that is coming towards you. You don't want to be stuck in a thing, that's not going to work out for you in the future. So, deception. See, told you. Somebody might be too emotional, especially with a lot of, water energy with cups. So someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. So just be careful, evaluate really really well in terms of where your relationship is going, or what you're going to do. The advice I think from this card, especially with the high priestess showing up there, is you need to start listening to your gut. Whatever your gut is going to tell you is going to be true. So when you get that little feeling that something is not right, when this person offers you something and you feel like, I don't think this is exactly what I want, pay attention to that feeling.